Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our foreign players, the market is expected to open on a weak note due to significant decline in the global market. The US market experienced a sharp drop of up to 2% after another disappointing job report data, which raised concern about a cooling US economy. The S&P 500 and the Dow saw the largest weekly decline since March 2023, while the Nasdaq recorded its biggest weekly drop, almost around 5%, since January 2022. Dow has been making lower highs from the last 4 trading sessions. Now coming back to the Indian market to start with our first segment for Monday, 9 September 2024, Nifty index opened negative on Friday and slipped sharply in the first day and witnessed a domino effect throughout the day. Now it slipped by almost 370 points during the day and closed near 24,850 marks. Now, it formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and a bearish engulfing candle on the weekly basis to close near its lower band. India VIX was up by 6.5% to 15.2. CBOE VIX has also spiked from 15 to 24 levels in the last 4 trading sessions. Now, Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.92. Indian volatility spiked above 15.5 levels and created discomfort for the bulls. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,400 to 25,300, while immediate range is in between 24,700 to 25,200. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 621 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,122 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 64.7%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till Nifty holds below 25,000, some more weakness could be seen towards 24,650, then 24,500, while hurdles are placed at 25,000, then 25,150. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 51,000, some more weakness could be seen towards 50,250, then 50,000 levels. While on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 51,000 and 51,250. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, profit booking was seen across board in most of the sectors. Now, stocks to keep on radar, positive stance can be seen in some of the stocks like Coforge, SBI Life, Titan, SBI Card, Alchem, Bajaj Finance and Hindustan Unilever. Better to go with the FMCG and consumption names. While weakness can be seen in BHEL, Can Bank, Bank of Baroda, DLF, Federal Bank, PNB, Exide Industries, BEL, Bata, GAIL, Concor and RBL Bank. Wish you a super trading day ahead with some volatile cues. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.